Hi all. In previous video we talked about compile phase of Maven Build Lifecycle. What compile phase was doing, it was compiling your source code. When I say source code, so whatever code inside src main java, it was compiling that code and it was putting inside target folder. Inside target folder there is a classes, and inside classes it was putting the source code by converting into .class file. Now next phase is test compile phase. What test compile phase does, as compile phase just compiles the source code. What if you want to compile your test classes as well, which are inside src test java? So in that case you will use test compile phase. Okay, so I have this. You just see the classes folder over here. I'll clear it. I'll say ambient test hyphen compile. So it will compile your source code classes, test class, and it will put inside this test hyphen classes folder. So this is the new folder gets created. If I go here, com Gaurav Maven Lifecycle unit test. Inside unit test, if I have app test.class, and inside integration test I have app it class. So why this folder structure? Again same, because my app it case.java, inside folder structure com Gaurav Maven Lifecycle and the integration test. So that is why it is putting inside com Gaurav Maven Lifecycle integration test. And similarly for the unit test case, it is putting inside unit test folder. So one more thing you need to be aware, that if you execute any phase of Maven build lifecycle, it automatically executes previous phase of Maven build lifecycle. For example, if I execute test compile phase, it will execute the previous phases as well, which is validate, compile, validate and compile. So test compile will execute validate and compile as well, and we'll see. So if I delete this and if I again execute Maven test compile, so it will compile the test classes as well, and as well as the source code, because compile, it will execute the compile phase as well. Let's see. I executed again Maven test compile, and see, it created classes and test classes both. If I go inside classes, it has app class, and if I go inside test classes, it will have integration test, app it case.class, and the unit test app test.class. Thank you.